all, I, Ananya Bhaskar, of first year MBA BNMIT.
I'm Sagar from BNMIT MBA.
I'm Dhruti.
Yeah, I'm Arun Chandra K. I'm from MBA A section of BNMIT.
This big barn nature, it is more like a detoxification process.
Yeah, we had very good experience of coming in into the OBEL camp.
I enjoyed a lot.
I had a very great experience.
First time nanondu tent alli stay mado experience ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು for 7 long days.
This was completely new for me.
Many lessons were taught in a very simple way through activities.
So my favorite activity was puzzle plank.
My two favorite activities were pedal walk and zoomering.
My favorite game which I played was the pipeline.
OBEL gave me confidence.
Working on ourselves, fun activities, spending our nights at tents.
Starting from instructors over here are very friendly.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಲೀಡರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
It was very good.
ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಹೊಸ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರು.
Then we had all these disciplinary activities which have been held in the Big Brand Nature Camp by all our instructors of OBEL.
My takeaway from this OBEL camp is that I'll be independent.
Never depend on anybody.
More discipline.
Only that would take you for long-term things. Thank you.